Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today, I will show you how to hide an app on your phone. First, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on the home screen or privacy option depending on your phone model. Look for the Hide Apps or Hidden Apps feature and select it. Choose the apps you want to hide from the list provided. Confirm your selection and the apps will no longer appear on your home screen or app drawer. That's it. Your selected apps are now hidden. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.